Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. In this video, you will see a reply video to a comment called how to remove icon. See here, we have already uploaded one short video named how to take screenshot without power button in Samsung Galaxy A16. So in that video, in the second method, using accessibility options, you can take screenshot without using power button. Okay, here one of the command we have received from this man is how to remove icon. Okay, so what is that icon? Accessibility icon. See here, this is the accessibility icon. Just if you click on screenshot icon here, and a screenshot will be taken. We have described like this. You should turn on this accessibility icon, okay, for taking a screenshot. Okay, so uh, you should have gone to turn on uh, this accessibility icon. Okay, so in a similar way, go there through the settings and turn it off. Okay, here he has asked like how to remove this icon, so let's see it. So what you have to do, just go to the settings first, then go to accessibility. The similar way you go for turn on accessibility. Okay, the similar way you go to follow again. Okay, and click on interaction and dexterity here, and here you will have the assistant menu icon. Just to turn it off, so that this assistant menu icon will be disabled. Okay, yes, it is disabled now. It will not be available. Okay, see, it will not be available in this screen hereafter. Okay, so yes, uh, for his comment we are uploading this video. If you also face this type of difficulty after activating assistant menu through accessibility, if you don't know how to deactivate it, just to follow this video and you can also do it. Okay, those are friends, thanks for watching. Thanks for the man who has commented this. Okay, that's all. Thanks for watching. Bye.